In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload photo from your Google Drive to Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a photo stored in your Drive straight into a Canva design, quickly and confidently. Start by opening your browser and going to Google. From there, head over to Canva. You can type the Canva website directly into the address bar, or search for Canva and open the official site. Once you're on the home page, you're in the right place to begin. Next, look to the top left and click the Create button. This opens a menu of design types. Choose the one that fits what you're making. For today's example, select Landscape Video, but feel free to pick any format you need. Presentations, social posts, documents. The process for bringing in your photo from Google Drive is the same no matter what you choose. Canva will open the editor with a blank canvas ready to go. On the left-hand sidebar of the editor, click Uploads. This is your central hub for adding files to your project. Inside the Uploads panel, locate and click the three dots or More options. That reveals all the connected sources you can import from, which is exactly what we want. From that list, click Google Drive. If it's your first time connecting Drive to Canva, you may see a prompt asking for permission to access your files. Just follow the on-screen prompts to continue. This is a standard one-time connection so Canva can browse your Drive securely. Now, wait a moment while it loads. You'll see your Google Drive folders and files appear. If you have a lot of content, give it a second to populate. You can navigate through folders as you normally would in Drive, or use the search bar within the picker if you know the file name. Taking a quick moment to confirm you're in the correct Google account can also save you time if something looks unfamiliar. When you find the photo you want, click it to upload. Canva will begin importing the file, and you'll see progress in the Uploads panel. Once it finishes, the image appears under your recent uploads and is attached to your design project. From here, it's ready to use across this design and any others you're working on. If the image is large, let the upload complete fully before making edits. For best results, choose a high-quality, high-resolution image so it looks sharp in your final design. And that's it. Your photo from Google Drive is now in Canva and ready to go.